Hello there! So it's been a pretty busy week and I have gotten a lot of stuff done on this game. So, first and foremost, a bunch of little bug fixes, like these emitters are now perfectly transparency sorted. So that's nice, you know, pixel perfect. I mean, the only issue would be if they're like at the same exact position, but that would be a problem in pretty much any game anyway. There's also sprites that I added back. They were in the game before, but I took them out, and now they're back. The density is controlled in the performance settings in the prefs file client side, but the actual sprites themselves are part of the map add-on on the server. I have added 3D sound, so if someone like shoots this gun to your right, you'll hear it in your right earphone. If you have stereo sound, same thing with the left, behind, front, so on and so forth. There is also the ability to drop the gun. There you go. Pick it back up. Well, pick it back up. There are slash commands now, so if I do slash drop item, it has the exact same effect. The movement for the player is now greatly improved in the sense that when you stop moving, you stop quicker. You know, you're not sliding on ice anymore. And when you jump, you have less control, right? You don't have the same exact amount of control. So you have, if I go like this and immediately hit the opposite key, I can just barely stop my motion in that direction. So, you know, it's a bit more, I guess, realistic. Your player feels a bit more substantial when you control it. Very similar thing underwater. I mean, there's no swim animation yet, but, you know, you float, but you're also slower in the sense that you don't change directions instantaneously. The next big thing, which you may have noticed already, is there is a new chat window. And it's not just a chat window, but it is a whole GUI system. So there's options, so you can do HUD opacity. There is FOV adjustment. It's not really 75, and the measurement's a bit weird. There's that. There's a save bricks menu, so we'll get to that later on. Yeah, and the players list, I'm the only one on right now, but it would show other players if there were any. The chat message window is greatly improved in that you can, not only can you type stuff in it, but you can say select it, you can copy it, you can cut it, you can move the cursor around, all the stuff you would expect from a fully functioning chat window. You can even copy and paste to, you know, outside programs or whatever. Plus, it has an auto-scrolling thing. So if I just, I don't know, go like this, just to kind of show you really quick. There you go. That's pretty much what it looks like. Pretty nice. You can also make it bigger. I don't actually remember what. Oh yeah, does exactly what you think it would. You can minimize all these windows. You know, go like that. Pretty simple. How do I get this smaller again? Yeah, that's fine. There we go. Anyway, what was I going on to now? Oh, right, building. Building is probably the biggest thing so far, and it's only just started, right? But you can use, I have certain keys bound to certain types of bricks. You'll have a fully fledged brick selector menu when you're actually trying it. But for now, this is what I got. So I use this keys, very similar to Blockland, to move the bricks around. And which direction they move is, you know, relative to which direction I'm facing. So yeah, it just looks like that. Pretty simple. You know, you phase through the temp bricks, but you don't phase through, well, of course. But yeah, you don't phase through the not temp bricks, obviously. You can also hit the slash key to clear your temp brick, just like in Blockland. And the only other interesting thing is that if you do save bricks, you can actually save it to the same exact format Blockland uses, which means you can load saves from this game right into Blockland. And you can load saves from Blockland into this game. They're completely compatible so far. So that's probably interesting, because I'm going to host a server where people come and build, and they could save the build if they wanted to. That's about it for now, though. Thank you very much for watching. I should be doing a public test probably tomorrow, maybe. Alright.